golden edge. What is this called? In Sonic, it's called golden something. No, not golden. What are you doing? Thank you. That's not that good. It's beautiful stuff. Yeah, welcome back to beautiful stuff. Today we're looking for a Shin Shadow. Currently, Shin Shadow has actually been spotted. So we're gonna look for Shin Shadow. I don't really even really see anymore right now. But let's have a look. We got the honestly coming down here. It's not really my eyes on it. Okay, we're looking for Shin Shadow in this video. Now I was actually looking at the window and I thought I saw Shin Shadow. Don't know what's going on. So seems like it's right now. If anything, I haven't really seen Shin Shadow right now, but I thought when I saw Shin Shadow for some reason,
so basically, nabulugan yung pinag-sabi sa akin.
Maybe I was sleeping? Are you thinking Shadow or Shin Sonic or Shin... Oh, there's Shin Sonic! Oh no, you saw that! Dude! Wait, we're going behind these bushes. Oh, well, let's see if I can catch it. I think it's right behind the tree. Oh my god, I think I just saw Shin Sonic right behind the tree. Okay, let's go high up on the staff first because there's one people here playing golf. And, you know, I don't want
ada lipatan di sini. Nanti dipasang saja. Tes.
Yeah, let's go high up in the sky to see if we can find Shin Sonic, which I think we're hiding behind here.
Jadi ada lipatan situ, nanti dicek pasang. Kalau ini
okay, let's see if I can get a better angle. So last time I came here, we saw Shin Sonic, and you know there's a bunch of little golf carts just driving around, having a grand old time. And it's up to us to see if we can find Shin Shadow. Now, I always thought Shin Shadow was a myth. You know, I just thought there was a Shin Sonic, not really a Shin Shadow. It's kind of funny how we saw a bunch of turkeys, though. Where'd they go? Where'd those turkeys go, man? They're just running around. That was really funny. But so, as you guys can see, we got a bunch of people here with their golf carts just driving around. There's people in them walking around. And ever since that other video, there's been high alert that Shin Shadow and Shin Sonic are in the area. And I don't even see the people actually playing. I think these are just workers. I think they're scavenging the area looking for Shin Sonic and Shin Shadow. But I don't really see them, to be honest. So if you guys see things that I don't see, please figure out too. Okay, you guys are my eyes and ears. Those for Shin Shadow, Shin Sonic, or Shin anything really. So they can be everywhere. So let's just keep looking around. Now that video we just watched was a little crazy. I mean, that was that's a battle between Shin Sonic and Shadow. I mean, between Sonic and Shadow. Who do you think would actually win in the fight? Sonic or Shadow? Share that. Who do you think would actually win in the fight? Do you think it would be Sonic or Shadow? Well, I don't know. Okay, we have a guy just walking around right here. That's pretty cool. We have a bunch of golf carts right here. Okay, everyone's just chilling with their golf carts. Everyone is chilling here and stuff. So that's pretty cool. There's also another golf cart right there. And the golf cart right there. And, oh, dude, it's Shin Shadow. He just grabs it. The golf cart. Yo, look at that, he disappeared. Wait, it's Shin Sonic. Hold on, this is hilarious. Look, Shin Sonic is looking all confused. I think Shin Sonic was trying to eat the person at the golf club, and then Shin Shadow just took him. Look at Shin Sonic. Bro, he's just looking around all confused. What the heck? I can't believe we're catching Shin Sonic on my drone, bro. Look up. Bro, he looks so scary. Look at him. Oh, wait, he just ran back in the bushes. Dude, Dude, shit. Okay, so this is hilarious. So, I can't believe who saw this. So there's a golf cart just chilling right here. Right, somewhere here, right? And then Shin's shadow just teleported into the area, snatched the golf cart with his hand, and then teleported away. And then Shin saw